Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Kira's here with me. She's pretty sleepy today. Today, we're gonna make some crawfish traps because I wanna go crawfishing and it's probably been like 12 years. I don't have any traps. So I'm gonna show you how to make them cheap, easy, and fast with stuff you can buy locally. So let's head into Lowe's.
I'm guessing that's lunchtime.
Almost lunchtime. You want a cactus?
Yeah.
We'll see if we can find you a cactus. Y'all, I swear prices just keep getting crazy and crazier. So let me show you what I was gonna use and what we're gonna use. So this here is plastic poultry netting that the crawfish can't crawl out of. Look at that. This shit used to be like 10 bucks, if even that much. That's just, it lost their damn minds. All right, here's the stuff we're gonna use instead for 13 bucks. It's metal instead of plastic. The plastic's much more easy and fun to work with. You're less likely to get like cut or injured. But for the price difference, we're just gonna do the metal. It's gonna hold up better anyway, so let's go check out. Actually, let's go see if we can find Kira a cactus.
Yay!
Check it out, everybody. Kira found a cactus.
I'm naming it Pineapple since it looks like a pineapple, but it switched up the colors. The bottom part's supposed to be yellow, the top is supposed to be green.
All right, y'all, now that I'm back home from Lowe's, in the interest of full disclosure, we need to talk about what I bought real quick. So, this is what I bought. It's the same stuff that I showed you at the shelf when I was talking about the pricing and whatnot. So when I got up to the register, this stuff scanned up at like $45. It was even more than the plastic stuff. And the dude ended up giving it to me for 13 something because that's where it was. Because honestly, I just said, hey bro, like the spot it was in was 13. I showed him, there's a whole row of stuff there. We looked at it, it's just tagged wrong. He went ahead and price checked or changed the price on it. So I got this roll for 13 something, but this should have cost 40 something. So big savings there. But I did jump on Amazon just a second ago, and there's stuff very similar to the poultry netting made for deer in a very large quantity for under 20 bucks. So with that off Amazon, you can make a lot of these traps for a very little amount of money. So I'm gonna link that down below. I'm gonna go ahead and use this stuff since I got a great deal on it. I just wanted you to know you still can make these cheap, just not locally. You're gonna have to go to Amazon or somewhere else and get them off the internet. So with that said, let's jump into making them. Well, we hoped you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more great videos from the Penguin Outdoors YouTube channel, don't forget to click subscribe. And while you're at it, hit that little bell so you get notified when new content is available. Please leave us a comment down below and let us know what you thought. And don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.